Hey everyone, welcome back. We're thrilled to have you join us for another exciting episode. Today, we're diving into the LEGO-fied version of a dramatic event in the world of space exploration. It's a tale of ambition, innovation, and a bit of misfortune. Buckle up because we're talking about the SpaceX Starship disaster. So what exactly happened? Let's break it down. Picture this: a sleek, futuristic ship designed to carry humans to Mars, the Starship. It's not just a dream, it's a symbol of human ingenuity and the quest for interplanetary travel. This isn't just any rocket, it's SpaceX's pride and joy. A marvel of modern engineering representing years of hard work and dedication. But even the best can stumble, right? In the high-stakes world of space travel, setbacks are part of the journey. On this particular mission, everything seemed to be going well, until it wasn't. The anticipation was palpable, and the world watched with bated breath. The Starship was cruising through its test flight when suddenly, things took a turn for the worse. A malfunction that no one saw coming. It exploded mid-air, leaving everyone watching in shock. The sight was both mesmerizing and heartbreaking. Now, we don't want to jump to conclusions, but Elon Musk himself chimed in to shed some light on the situation. His insights are always invaluable. According to him, the culprit was likely a propellant leak. A small issue with potentially devastating consequences. Imagine that. One tiny leak causing such a massive explosion. It's a stark reminder of how delicate and precise space engineering needs to be. In the world of rocketry, every detail matters. Engineers meticulously inspect every component, knowing that even the smallest flaw can lead to disaster. The propellant leak might have triggered a chain reaction, leading to catastrophic failure. It's a complex interplay of factors that can sometimes go awry. It's a stark reminder that space exploration is no walk in the park. The challenges are immense, but so are the rewards. But hey, that's what makes it so thrilling, right? Let's rewind a bit and look at the bigger picture. SpaceX has always been about pushing boundaries. Their vision extends far beyond Earth, aiming to make space travel accessible to all. They've had their fair share of ups and downs, but each setback is a learning opportunity. And this disaster? No different. It's part of the iterative process of innovation. It's a stepping stone to perfecting the Starship. Each failure brings them one step closer to success. As LEGO enthusiasts, we can appreciate the intricate details and the engineering marvels both in real life and in our LEGO sets. It's a way to connect with the grander vision of space exploration. Building these models, we get a tiny taste of the challenges and triumphs of space exploration. It's a hands-on way to understand the complexities involved. So, what's next for SpaceX? They're constantly innovating, always looking for ways to improve and overcome obstacles. Well, they're not ones to back down. Their resilience is truly inspiring. They're already analyzing the data, tweaking designs and prepping for the next flight. And you know what? They'll come back stronger. Each iteration brings them closer to their goal. Alright folks, that's the lowdown on the SpaceX Starship disaster LEGO style. It's a fascinating blend of real-world challenges and creative play. Remember, every failure is just a stepping stone to success. It's all about learning and growing. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more LEGO space adventures. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, keep building and keep dreaming big. The sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning.